All right, this is my first time going to check out the bus, so I guess I'll explain this video a little bit. This is the first video on the Dead Horse Beaters YouTube channel, which will be, I don't know, it could be just only stuff for the Lemons team. It could be stuff included like personal projects. I know I have some projects I'm hoping to get started sometime soon in the near future, but who knows, stuff happens. So yeah, I'm driving down to Connecticut right now to check out the bus, and we'll do some work today, and then, you know, hopefully she'll be ready by May, and we'll have some accounting of you know, what we're doing in the bus, you know, maybe ideas other people might have for us. We don't know too much about RVs. We're learning a lot, but yeah, I'll explain more about the bus when I'm there. For now, I'm gonna drive. I have like 3 hours of driving, give or take. So yeah, this is the start of the video, and I'll see you when I'm at the bus. All right, there she is. There's the bus. Ooh, it is crummy out. I haven't been driving a while, but finally found the bus. Bluebird. Don't remember the model exactly. What up, guys? I'm recording for some vloggy goodness, I guess. So yeah, this is the bus. First time seeing it. So what are you guys doing? You're taking out all the AC and whatever? Okay. So I guess just for the sake of the video, what specs are of this bus? So it's a 5.9 Cummins. Is it a 12? Oh, it's a 24 valve?
Yep.
Okay. So that's under here. Flat nose, obviously.
40
foot long. It's not the same as the school buses, right?
Yeah.
What are the school buses? They're a Bluebird something or other.
Yeah, the model number is different, but
Whatever.
yeah, this is a full height.
Yep.
6'6".
That's actually really nice, like the roof height.
Yep.
I mean, we're all somewhere around 6 foot, and we got plenty of room.
Yeah, it's dual tanks. And,
Dual tanks. Do you know what the range is on this thing?
whatever that MPG is.
Whatever the MPG is, huh?
They're either dual 40 or dual 50 gallons.
All right, cool stuff.
A lot of stuff. Airbag suspension, air brakes.
It's airbags in the rear only?
Yeah, in the rear.
Okay, and air brakes, and then so do you know about where the partition will be for the car section?
I think it's going to be right in front of the door.
So right here?
Yeah.
Right in front. So this back is going to be the garage section. So are we just going to keep the back like this rubber matting, or are we going to rip it all out?
We're going to take it out to
Insulate?
clean and assess the floor.
Okay.
Coat the floor, and then also we have to weld in stuff for the ramps and everything. So.
Okay.
But we're going to put it back afterwards.
Okay, yeah.
Just to keep it clean and easy to work with.
What are we doing about the wheel wells?
They're probably just going to stay as is. We're just
Yeah.
going to put little ramps going.
Yeah, so it'll just kind of sit up at an angle a little bit.
Yep.
All right, that works. We have a bathroom, but it's going away.
Check it out.
Check out the bathroom. Oh yes. Ooh. It's actually not that bad.
It's pretty nasty.
I like how it's just like full window. Like you can just see right out. You can just see when someone's taking a dump.
It is a room with a view.
It's a room with a view, exactly. All right, cool. Well, I guess we'll get to work tearing down a bit, and then I'll videotape a little bit more. So another bit I missed. I guess it's not here. I thought we had some under tray storage. Oh, let's take a look around. Always cut this out. Ah, here. Got some under tray storage over here. Not much, but we should be able to stuff a generator or something under somewhere. But yeah, the back section has 2 side doors and a rear door. This one here is probably gonna get deleted, since the race car is gonna drive up. There's gonna be a little ramp up for the wheel arches. And basically what's gonna happen is the rear, man, I'm way too close. I don't know if I can zoom out at all, whatever. So the rear, the entire back, we're gonna cut off. And we're just gonna hinge it right at the bottom. We're gonna delete all the glass. We'll probably put in a rear view camera, or maybe 2 at each corner, just so we can see when we're backing up, and have like a electronic rear view mirror basically. And so this whole back, at least to where it goes flat, it's gonna fold down, and then we'll have ramps for the remainder of the distance. Put the rest of it up on like a little jack stand or something, and we just drive the car right in. The car is super low, have tons of headroom. It really will just fit perfectly. So, I mean, this thing's gonna be pretty sweet. The benefit of doing this as opposed to a truck and a trailer is that on a lot of states, trailers are limited to 55 miles an hour. When you do this, you're not limited to 55 miles an hour. We can go the full speed limit. We can go 65, 70, whatever the speed limit is, and be perfectly legal. Also, the reason we are doing this is because we have a diesel engine, and this thing is dirt cheap. Buses, if you can find a good bus, if you look around and just kind of wait for the right thing. I mean, we got this for, it was under $6,000. I don't know the full price. And there are people buying, you know, gas trucks for $12,000 just because they need some tow vehicle, because trucks are just so expensive. Pickup trucks, that is. So yeah, that's the outside. And the little bit of storage I forgot to talk about. Yeah, ex-prison bus or border patrol. Not 100% sure, but you'll check our archaeology as we go along. All right, back to work. All right, little progress report. Got the rear half for the garage portion. We got the rubber flooring and insulation down. I think on a lot of school buses they have plywood floors, but we actually have solid steel here. We're gonna go start taking off the front rubber. That rubber we're fully getting rid of. This rubber we're gonna keep and put back on once the structural bracing for the car and our tie downs are here. So we'll put that in, and I think the front we're doing vinyl or wood flooring or something nice like that. Got a lot of the boxes on the, well, we got the full boxes on the sides for the heat. The heat boxes themselves are still, or is that air conditioning? No, that's air conditioning. The air conditioners are still in just because we have to get rid of all the refrigerant. Heating box right here, that's still in, which we aren't taking out yet because that's all cooling lines, obviously. Yeah, just really getting in there. Swap the driver's seat to something a little more comfortable and nicer. But yeah, this is where we're going right now. For the back, we're working on getting rid of the bathroom now. And the bathroom is more or less the last big thing in the back. All these panels need to come out, so we'll hopefully be getting those out soon, and they can work on all that. Yeah, so that's where we are right now, and then probably one more update at the end of the day. All right, doing a little test drive. We piled a bunch of the crap in it that we took out, but this is what we've got done so far. Bathroom's almost done in the back. I'm in one of the few seats that's actually still in place. So yeah, we're gonna just take it for a little spin. All right, we fixed our leaking air, so we're gonna go for a little spin. Air brakes work. I hope all our shit doesn't fall. It's like you're back at school again.
This is the best seat in the house.
Yeah, you look comfy.
This is nice. I can tell you one thing. It might be too comfortable. Someone could fall asleep at the wheel.
Alright, make it. We'll put some like nails in it or something. I like it. She's going pretty good. That's not bolted down at all. So very much be careful.
That's not bolted down.
No, nothing's bolted down. Yeah, that seat completely the armrest or nothing. Nope.
Oh wait, there's one more seat. Crapper.
Yeah. Yeah, we got one seat way in the back, the toilet.
This mirror works. You can see everybody. I see what you're doing. Right, we don't need this.
Nah.
It's just weird to creep out on everybody like that.
Well, we're gonna have no back glass anyway.
Wait. Well, yeah, this isn't even for that. This is just for like, this is the creep out.
Is it like heated?
Not yet.
Not yet. Ooh, listen to that.
Cool. All that power anybody has.
You guys hear that spool? It's pretty sweet.
Pretty standard.
Pretty standard bus spool right there.
Oh, it's so don't slam on the brakes hard.
Yeah. Definitely isn't the magic spool bus. But she's going good.
That's where Panda likes to sit too.
That's definitely safe. This thing's sweet. Windshield wipers work?
Yeah, it really works. I don't know how to turn them on, but they work.
I don't know how to turn them on, but they work.
Oh. That's not the wipers.
Just open the fucking door. You're done with
There's the
that.
wipers.
The seat with no bolts is safer. Yeah, don't fall in the hole. He's going to like fabric. Oh, this thing's awesome. I love this. Oh, we're gonna be set once this is all built up.
There's no safety attachments.
So you're looking to see if the heat works at all?
Yeah. Even though Eric messed with everything, I don't even know how it works.
I forgot which one turned it on. I think it might be this one, the upper right blower.
What? Oh, the heat works again. We have heat again!
We have heat. Oh yeah, we do got heat going. Where do we lose this guy? Oh well. Yeah, the controls are. Oh, the light. Are you turning the lights on and off? Okay. Yeah, these are all wonky on what does what. We don't even know how to get all
The
the.
thermostat's open now, so we're ready.
Yeah, it's not very hot, but
Alright,
it's.
where's Eric? Here. I need you to jump out of the bus and look for any coolant leaks, because you know where they are. Getting too much momentum. Too much momentum.
Nothing to grab onto. Both are off. Oh, doors, pneumatic doors. Thing's so sweet. How's everyone enjoying the ride? Luxurious in your not bolted down seat. How's your cinder block? Yeah, cinder block good for you, Matt? Shit.
Yeah, you might want to hold on now.
You guys like sitting like in your pool of antifreeze over there?
Yeah, it's the experience. Like,
That's so much louder, Jesus.
right?
Wow!
Just like you really hear that turbo kick in now.
Yeah, look. I'm totally gonna eat shit. I can see it happening. I don't. This person following us must like wonder what's going on.
Yeah, he was great.
Yeah, I can feel heat. I can feel warmth back here.
That's awesome.
Like
Is that thing back there working?
I don't think the fan's going.
Oh, it's getting warm.
I do feel warmth.
Yeah, it's working.
I think there's a kink in the line. And there's probably air in the line too.
So it's getting warm though?
Yeah, I feel warmth, yeah.
We just have to figure out how to turn the electrics on.
Yeah,
In all reality, we could just put a manual switch back there since it doesn't even need to be the driver's responsibility.
yeah. The fan's just not doing anything. But.
Yeah, so we just gotta make the fans work.
Nice.
It's so good here. Come on, Sure. Find a nice straight stretch.
We can't. Who would think our piece of shit bus would be this not shitty? You like it? No, it's never crap. This thing's sick. Alright, I'm gonna get the actual seat. The hot swap. That's sweet. Oh god.
They're trying to put a seat belt. You don't need a seat belt. I want to see if it works. Oh.
Wanna see if it works.
Hello?
Yeah, that's working. We have exterior radio and PA. This thing's awesome. All right, little last minute before it gets too dark. Ripped out the front. Front's very wet underneath. Surface rust really, but you know, anything we can't fix, well, anything that's bad we'll fix. There's a lot of crap in here right now, simply because there's a lot of stuff we're not throwing away yet. We don't know what we're using yet, and we don't have the room to store it anywhere else while we're not working. So, gonna live in the bus, and yeah, so that's the wrap up for now. All right, guys, can't see much. Very dark in here, but that's the end of this episode, or vlog, or whatever we're going to call it. Not much got done after I stopped recording. Alex stayed a little bit later. Basically done taking the bathroom apart. All we have left is the toilet and the, what do they call it, gray water tank, which should be empty and clean, but you know, we're still gonna use coveralls and stuff for that. But that's the end of this part. Next part will be next time I go see it, or maybe if I don't get to go to the bus and they work on it without me, someone else might record something. Who knows? We haven't really figured out quite what this channel is going to do, but you know, this is vlog number 1. If there's any constructive criticism you can give to us, I know my camera work was awful, and I know I'm going to edit this awful, so just let me know. And all right, thanks, bye.